Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to Shopify. Let's get started. So once you reach the web browser, you're going to open up Printify and you're going to log into your Printify account. And then you're going to open up another tab over here and you're going to open up Shopify. And then you're also going to log into your Shopify account. Now, if we go back to Printify, you'll notice here on the left side of the screen, we have different options which says My New Store, Dashboard, Catalog, My Products, Orders, Wallet, Insights, Store Settings. So you can open up Store Settings. And then here where it says Store Name, you can change the store name of your store. So My New Store. And then once you're done, you can press Save. So what we need to do is go to the left side of the screen right here. So make sure that you are in Printify and not Shopify yet. So we're going to go back to the Printify tab. And we're going to go to the left side of the screen and you're going to go to the section here where it says My New Store. And you're going to select these arrows. Now, under Manage My Stores, you're going to click on Add a New Store with the plus icon. Now it says here, let's connect your store. Already have a sales channel? Connect your store now. Choose a sales channel below to connect your store. So there are different options that you can choose from: Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, Printify pop-up, eBay, and so on. So what we want to do now is link Shopify, right? So here's the option. We're going to click on Shopify. Now it says, let's connect your store. Connect to Shopify. Add your store URL to connect with Printify. So now what we need to do is add in our URL from our Shopify account. So we're going to go back to Shopify and we're going to open up this other website. So here is the URL for my Shopify account. So we're going to copy all of this. And right click and then select copy. Then we're going to go back to Printify and then we're going to right click and then paste here and then click on connect. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.